Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin.
Welcome back, everyone, to Fun with the Fab Fork. Thank you so much to everybody who has liked, shared, and especially our new subscribers. It's great to have you here. We really appreciate you so very much. Today, we have a delicious new recipe, a tender, mouth-watering pulled beef sandwich that's made with a Crockpot slow cooker. We're using a beautiful boneless chuck pot roast, as you can see here. This is about 3.5 pounds. So you're going to want to add salt and pepper to both sides, but please note I'm using a little bit more, especially on the pepper, than most people might, just because I enjoy a little extra spicy heat. But please feel free to use much less, to suit your palate. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, which we really hope you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Peace, love, and good eating.